Hey guys, welcome in. I appreciate you guys for joining. This is going to be the scissor flip tutorial on how to flip your scissors. These are scissors right here. These are Sword D17 by Mizutani. Shout out Mizutani, New Mexico. Pop these out right here. Look, so this is the scissor, how to flip the scissor. I've been getting a lot of questions on to do a tutorial on how I flip them and how I spin them, and this is it. And guys, look, this is a case right here that you can put your scissors in. All right, look, these are the scissors right here. And look, guys, just I grab the scissors. This finger will be in here, and I'm holding the scissors. You know, like if I'm gonna cut with them, I'm gonna hold them, and I'm just holding them normally. To spin them and flip them, I'll hold them in this hand like this. So I'll have them like that. I have them like that. Always have them, my finger coming in here, having it like that. And then the starting of the flip is to turn them like that. So just getting this here, coming up here, going like that. How I do that is I hold them here, I kind of push here, I just go like that. I can kind of give it gravity and go like that. So that's the first move to flipping the shears. So I hold it, look, scissors are right here. I just come right in, hold them as if I'm gonna cut hair with them, hold them as if I'm gonna point cut with them. And then the first move is just to be right here, take this pinky back here and catch it here and go like that. And that's the first. Once you can just start hitting that off. Just start hitting that off. Look, coming here, just use that, do that grab. Then let me see what my next move is. I usually go, oh yeah. So it's like, so you're going to go here, go up here. You can come here, come here, come here. You can even stop there, flip back around, come here, and go like that and start to, guys, I made up a bunch of tricks with these. But I mean, how to flip them and how to hold them. And you hold them like regular scissors, just like this. And to flip them, you just go like that. As easy as that. It's almost like, watch, I'll show you one thing real quick. It's like you have the comb right here and you're holding the shears here. So like in order to cut hair, like just say that I'm pulling the dude's hair up and I'm going like that and I'm gonna point cut and you go like that, you can just release them into here, grab the comb. It's that same concept. And then when you're flipping, I could even come back around, release, open up. So look, I've released, I opened up. That's a front spin trick. So I'm coming here, everything's usually backspin, like, you know, I'm keeping, this is, back is going this way, front is going this way, that's a different trick. Front spin's harder to do. Why is front spin harder to do? Front spin's harder to do, number one, because you got to redirect. Number two, front spin's harder to do because it's just, it feels different in your hands to where you could drop the scissors. I made up another move that goes like this. I'll show you during part two, but it kicks over and just goes under like that. And so you could take your thumb and just kick under. If you guys want to see a part two video of the short tutorial, I'll do a part two and I'll flip them under. Let me know if you want to do it. Shout out to Jack. This is the tutorial for you guys. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you like it.